You told me to take things slow, but now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a fall wreath and I am super excited. This has to do a little bit Dollar Tree, a little bit not. I wanted to make something bigger and a little bit nicer than the quality of Dollar Tree. So I had this wreath already. It is this size right here, and this was from Michael's, and I want to say it was like $3.99, and then if you use like a 40 or 50% off coupon, it brings it down to like $2. So for a bigger, a little bit nicer quality, like sometimes you do want to purchase things at different places. I'm also using a lot of floral from the Dollar Tree because I don't think that floral is any different than anywhere else. And then a lot of it's from Walmart as well. Walmart had these really cute pumpkin picks with these like beads. I think these are so pretty. I absolutely love them. I love the leaves. I love like the little straw. I think everything looks so cute with them. I've had this flower. This was from Hobby Lobby a long time ago, and then I don't know why I have it. Bunch of floral, stuff like that. I'm also going to be doing for like the big centerpiece is I'm using deer antlers, and I'm so excited about this. My husband hunts, so I know people are not for that, but you know, that's what happens, and it's better off him killing it than me killing it with my car and having to do a $500 deductible. So he eats the meat. I would save all the baby deer and all the big deer and all the mom deer, and I would put them in one big giant fence and hug them and kiss them every single day, but you know, it's just not the way of the world. So I'm just going to use what we had in our basement that was going to waste. So I thought, why not do a really cool deer antler wreath? Yeah, I'm really excited. I had all this stuff here already, so I seen on Pinterest that the people use deer antlers. I said, oh my gosh, yes, I need to do this. It's gonna be so cute, and it looks really cute with fall decor and stuff like that. So all right, I'm just gonna get started. So you're gonna need one of these really large wreaths, a pair of deer antlers, and I'm sure you can always find like a fake pair like at Hobby Lobby or something like that. And then I'm just using a burlap flower and a bunch of these little picks, pine cone, and like all kinds of like little floral from Walmart. I think these were so cute. So the first thing I did, I just took 3 large zip ties and just zip tied the deer antlers to the wreath. This was so simple and so easy to do.
But now I don't know which way to go. You tear me up, and you fix me up.
Next thing I did was I just hot glued this big burlap flower right to the middle to cover all of the zip ties.
And you fix me up all for fun. You tear me up,
And then now I'm just using these pumpkin picks with like this straw, or I don't even know what it is, but I think these look so cute. These were all from Walmart. They're only 97 cents, and I love their fall floral this year. I think it is so cute. So I'm just shoving all these into the wreath. I didn't even hot glue them or anything, so if I did want to change them up, I definitely could for different seasons or holidays or whatever like that. So I was so excited for this. I think this turned out so great. And I had everything at home already except the floral, so I only paid about $4 for this, but totaling it, it was probably about $10. But for $10 for a big wreath like this, I think that is a great deal. So this was so inexpensive to make, but it was so simple and easy, and it only took me about 5 minutes to make. So it was definitely a win for me, and I love the way this turned out. But that is it for my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
you fix me up all for fun. The games that you play, you're making me sway. Up, down, down, up and down again. The things that you say, it's